Here we go. We're going. We are going to the graveyard. We are just now entering the cemetery.
Huh? Oh, hey! Oh, hey! Well. He looked up and down?
Yeah.
Look, his eyes are...
Exactly. Her behavior just changed. Now she's not sitting down.
She looks weird.
Watch out for the grave.
Yeah. What happened? She's tripping. She's not acting cool anymore.
Yeah, she was having fun earlier. Now she's uncomfortable.
Yeah.
How tight is her grip on your hand?
She's very uncomfortable.
Does she have a tight grip?
Almost. Looking down.
Yeah, she is looking down.
Screams.
That's great.
She's looking down.
Allahu Akbar. Allah. Allah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Allahu Akbar.
Is that what you're hearing?
Oh, she's getting scared.
Over here. She's tripping.
Alright, we're leaving and she is ready to leave. Go ahead. Look at her. She wants to go in the car, dude. She's gone, bro. She outie. She is outie. Take me home.
She's happy.
Take me home. She's.
Yeah, you want to leave.